Alright, here we got a video of my grandparents' 1962 Gravely Model L-I, or 1, I can't tell. I'm looking at this ID tag here. It's not very clear. Is that an I? Excuse the phone here. It's not very good. It looks like LIM90336 is the serial number. So far from what I've found out online doing research is that it's a 1962 6.6 horsepower T-head design engine. And by T-head, what they mean is it's cast iron bore and everything, but the intake comes in on one side and goes straight out the other side to the exhaust. So, and there's a set of valves on each side of this engine. It's pretty neat. They've had it ever since I've been alive, so it's about over 27 years, and they've had it way longer than that. They said they bought it new in '65. Right now it's got the rototiller attachment on it, but they have the rotary mower deck. There's a snow blower attachment, and there's also a sulky that hooks up. You can ride behind it. It's pretty neat. And what else? Oh, there's a plow for it, and we do have a set of chains. But these days it doesn't do so well. It needs a rebuild. It smokes pretty bad, and needs to be rebuilt. Basically, right here, you can kind of see it's wet underneath the cylinder there. That gasket has been replaced. And once again, sorry about the camera work. This is not the best video. This phone isn't of high quality at all. It's not an iPhone. But anyways, that gasket there underneath the head needs to be replaced again. And I'm pretty sure the rings are pretty well worn out. Maybe new piston too. So I don't know. I don't know where to even find parts for these things. So if anybody can help me, leave information in the comments. I'm also looking for a on the PTO where it engages here. There's like a sleeve underneath this bolt here where this attaches. There's like a sleeve that the bolt rides into. I need a new sleeve because the top of it's worn out. So right now I have it bolted tight, real tight, because otherwise it flops around like a fish. Anyways, I'm about to run out of video, so once again, leave comments in the leave information in the comments if you know anything about these. Thank you.